I may be a loser, but at least I've got loser friends to hang out with.
Whatever.
We wouldn't let you into our gang, Pete, because you're weird.
Weird? Look at you. You've got a weak bladder.
Hey, Algie, I need some help. I've got a plan to take over those jock scum.
Hey, Jimmy.
Hey, so what do you say, Algie?
Us help you?
Yeah, think of everything I've done for you since I got here.
You? You're like a bouncer. We're a bit above helping people like you. I mean, get real, duh. Pea stain. Now you need my help. Forget it.
Damn!
Well, you know what you gotta do now, don't you?
What, beg?
No, get to Ernest. He runs that clique with the rod of iron. You get him on your side, and you got the rest of them eating out of the palm of your hand.
How? By joining the trigonometry club?
No, that would never work. You gotta show him who's boss.
You might be onto something. See you later.
Hey, wait, Jimmy! Can I come for once?
Why are you looking for some dinner? He's at the observatory, but don't tell him I told you.
Armed and dangerous. Forget it, Hopkins. You're not getting in without the key code. Okay, it's 138.
You're in my domain now, Jimmy. Prepare to suffer. Are you still trying, Jimmy? Far bloody-minded, I have to give you that.
I'm just gonna collect this.
Your aggro management won't save you, Hopkins.
you doing? Give it up, dork. You work for me now.
You're pathetic. You've defeated my weakest compadres. You've just met your match.
I want us to be friends. I need your help.
I've had friends like you. The kind who treat you like dog muck on their shoes. No thanks, bud.
Come on.
It's my brains against your brawn. Welcome to hell, Jimmy Hopkins! You guys treat us nerds like dirt. One day you'll regret it. Your brawn is no match for my superior technology. You'll like this, Jimmy. Oh, you'll like this, Jimmy. Oh, you'll like this, Jimmy. You guys treat us nerds like dirt. One day you'll regret it. You guys treat us nerds like dirt. One day you'll regret it. You guys treat us nerds like dirt. One day you'll regret it. You guys treat us nerds like dirt. One day you'll regret it. You guys treat us nerds like dirt. One day you'll regret it. You guys treat us nerds like dirt. One day you'll regret it. You guys treat us nerds like dirt. One day you'll regret it. You guys treat us nerds like dirt. One day you'll regret it.
Maybe now he'll listen to me.
Here, just take it. You're just like everyone else, picking on the little man.
I'm not like everyone else. Honestly. Now listen, we both want the same thing, to teach those jocks a lesson. From now on, we're buddies.
You have a funny way of showing friendship.
We're friends. We work together.